When you think of billion-dollar companies, names like Apple, Microsoft, and Tesla likely come to mind. But what if I told you that some of the world's most profitable businesses are run by families who prefer to stay under the radar? These family-owned companies make billions every year, and most people have no idea they even exist. Curious to know which families are behind these hidden billion-dollar empires? Stick around as we uncover 8 secretive family businesses that are quietly dominating industries from food production to retail and packaging, all while maintaining control behind the scenes. Let's get started. 1. Cargill Incorporated, Cargill-Macmillan family. Starting off with a massive one, we have Cargill, the largest privately held company in the U.S., with a mind-blowing annual revenue of around $177 billion. The Cargill-Macmillan family owns about 87% of this empire, making them one of the wealthiest and most influential families in the global agriculture and food industry. You may not realize it, but Cargill is everywhere, from commodity trading to food production. They control a significant portion of the world's supply chain. Whether you're eating a burger, enjoying some chocolate, or using vegetable oil, there's a good chance Cargill played a role in making it happen. Despite its huge revenue, this company operates quietly, without the flashiness of tech giants like Apple or Google. Instead, the family focuses on maintaining its long-term dominance across industries, staying under the radar while making an enormous impact. With such a high level of family control, Cargill is an excellent example of how low-profile empires can thrive on a global scale. 2. Schwartz Group Schwartz family. Next up is the Schwartz family, whose retail empire, the Schwartz Group, is worth around $179 billion in annual revenue. The Schwartz family owns 100% of the business, making them the powerhouse behind 2 of Europe's most popular supermarket chains, Lidl and Kaufland. If you've ever shopped at Lidl, you've seen their influence firsthand. The Schwartz Group's business model focuses on offering affordable, high-quality goods at prices that challenge competitors, making them a major player in the discount supermarket world. While Lidl has expanded across Europe and even into the U.S., the Schwartz family has managed to keep a low profile, rarely seeking the public's attention despite their massive wealth. The Schwartz family's business philosophy revolves around efficiency, customer satisfaction, and keeping operations in-house, which has allowed them to remain a dominant force in global retail for decades. The family's ability to balance their global reach with their privacy has made them one of the most secretive yet successful families in business today. 3. Mars Incorporated Mars family. Who has enjoyed an M&M or a Snickers bar? Behind these iconic treats is the Mars family, whose privately held company, Mars Incorporated, pulls in between $47 to $55 billion annually. The Mars family maintains 100% ownership of the business, and their brand has expanded beyond just candy to include pet care, premium food products, and even drinks. Their pet care brands like Pedigree and Royal Canin are household names, further proving that the Mars family knows how to diversify and dominate markets. Even though the Mars name is ubiquitous on grocery shelves, the family remains incredibly discreet about their operations and wealth. Mars Incorporated has managed to avoid the flashy media attention that usually comes with such vast success, focusing instead on building sustainable businesses that cater to global needs. By quietly controlling some of the world's most beloved brands, the Mars family has carved out an empire that makes billions every year without seeking the spotlight. 4. Aldi Albrecht family. At the forefront of the discount supermarket revolution is Aldi, a family-owned retail empire that generates over $120 billion in annual revenue. The Albrecht family controls Aldi Nord and Aldi Sud, 2 branches that together span 12,000+ locations in more than 20 countries. Despite their massive global presence, Aldi has managed to stay under the radar, operating in a way that prioritizes simplicity, efficiency, and value for customers. The Albrecht family is widely known for their extreme discretion and has kept their operations relatively low-key, avoiding the media spotlight, while becoming one of the world's most profitable retail chains. The family's commitment to affordable groceries, with a focus on private label products, has helped Aldi build a loyal customer base. Their strategic expansion has allowed them to take on larger competitors, and their dominance in global retail continues to grow. The Albrecht family is a perfect example of how a company can become a global force without ever seeking fame or recognition. 5. IKEA Kamprad family. Who doesn't know IKEA? The world leader in affordable, flat-pack furniture and home accessories. With an estimated $50 billion in annual revenue, IKEA has revolutionized how we furnish our homes. The company was founded by Ingvar Kamprad in 1943, and today, the Kamprad family continues to oversee the global brand success. While IKEA is known for its wide product range, from stylish furniture to home decor, its foundational model is all about affordability and efficiency. The family has strategically managed IKEA's growth through various foundations, ensuring that its control remains in private hands. Despite its massive influence, the Kamprad family keeps a relatively low profile, staying focused on the business while avoiding the spotlight. Their vision of creating affordable, high-quality furniture for everyone has not only transformed the furniture industry, but has also built one of the largest retail empires in the world. IKEA's success is a testament to how the Kamprad family's vision has shaped the global market. 6. Ferrero family. Ferrero Group, the Italian confectionery giant known for Nutella, Ferrero Rocher, and Kinder, brings in over $17 billion in annual revenue. Founded by Pietro Ferrero in 1946, the company remains 100% family-owned, with the Ferrero family still at the helm. From chocolates to sweets, Ferrero has become a global leader in the candy and confectionery industry. Their flagship products, including Ferrero Rocher, have made a lasting impact on global taste preferences. The Ferrero family has kept their business operations relatively private, maintaining control over the company's growth and ensuring its presence on the world stage. Their commitment to quality and innovation in the food sector has allowed Ferrero to stand out among competitors. Despite their global success, the Ferrero family has continued to avoid the public spotlight, focusing on growing their empire without unnecessary fanfare. Today, Ferrero is a brand that continues to bring sweetness into the lives of millions while keeping the family's legacy intact. 7. SC Johnson family. If you've ever used Windex, Glade, or Ziploc bags, you've interacted with products made by SC Johnson, a company that brings in around $11 billion annually. The company is still owned and run by the Johnson family, with Jane Goldman being one of the only female billionaires leading a major U.S. real estate firm. SC Johnson manufactures household cleaning supplies and consumer chemicals, and despite its vast product range, the company remains a private entity, managed with focus on quality and family values. The Johnson family continues to control the company's direction while ensuring it remains focused on innovation and environmental responsibility. They've built a lasting legacy in the consumer goods sector with a hands-on approach that has shaped the way we use household products today. 8. Tetra Pak Rousing family. Finally, we have Tetra Pak, a company that specializes in food packaging and processing, with an annual revenue of around $18.5 billion. Controlled by the Rousing family, Tetra Pak revolutionized the way liquids are packaged with its aseptic packaging technology. The family's low-profile operations have made them one of the most successful investment engines in the world. Yet few people are aware of their massive influence in the packaging industry. Tetra Pak's impact on the food industry is undeniable, as their packaging solutions are used by companies across the globe. The Rousing family has managed to keep a tight grip on their business empire while expanding into diverse sectors, all while maintaining a secretive profile. Their business model has allowed them to dominate the food packaging market for decades, ensuring their legacy remains intact. And there you have it, the 8 hidden family businesses that make billions every year while flying under the radar. These families have built incredible empires through strategic thinking, hard work, and long-term planning, all while maintaining a low profile. Their stories prove that sometimes the most powerful companies don't need the public eye. They thrive in the shadows, shaping industries and influencing global markets without ever seeking fame. If you enjoyed this dive into the world of secretive billion-dollar empires, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with anyone who loves learning about business dynasties, and subscribe for more exclusive insights into the world's most powerful families. Let us know in the comments which family business surprised you the most. Stay tuned for next week's video. And remember, Sometimes, the biggest fortunes don't have a spotlight on them.